I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect apps to your Discord account using the Discord mobile app. Step 1. Open the Discord mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap U in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on the next screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Settings section and then tap Connections. Step 4. Tap Add on this screen. The Add New Connection screen opens where you'll see a list of apps available to connect to your Discord account. Step 5. Tap the specific app you want to connect to your Discord account. In this example, I'll choose to connect the X app, but the process for all of the others will be very similar. You'll see a window prompting you to authorize Discord access to your account. Step 6. Tap Sign In to give Discord access to your app and then sign into the app you want to connect to Discord. You'll return to the screen prompting you to give Discord access to this account. Step 7. Tap Authorize App. You'll eventually see a screen letting you know that this app is now connected to your Discord account, and you'll see it listed on the connection screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.